The 10 Best Experiences in Clark 2026. Number 1. Han Reserve, New Clark City. This premier 450-hectare eco-luxury estate features the first PGA-affiliated golf academy and the stunning Yna Clark design mountain course. It is the definitive destination for 2026, blending high-end hospitality with breathtaking views of the Zambales mountain range. Number 2. Aquaplanet. As Asia's most advanced water park, it offers over 38 world-class slides, including the adrenaline-pumping Aqua Loop and Flow Rider. In 2026, it remains a family favorite due to its seamless RFID tap and play system and expansive wave pools. Number 3. Clark Safari and Adventure Park. Spanning 40 hectares, this wildlife sanctuary allows visitors to encounter over 1,500 species, including majestic white lions and grizzly bears. It has evolved into a major conservation hub, offering interactive educational tours and immersive animal feeding experiences. Number 4. New Clark City River Park. This 1.4-kilometer stretch of riverside greenery features striking art installations by Kapampangan artists and dedicated lanes for sunset cycling. It serves as the serene green lung of the region, perfect for those looking to escape the city's hustle. Number 5. Puning Hot Spring. The adventure begins with a thrilling 4x4 jeep trek through spectacular lahar canyons formed by the Mount Pinatubo eruption. Once there, you can soak in therapeutic thermal pools and enjoy a unique volcanic sand spa treatment. Number 6. Dinosaurs Island and Insectlandia. Travel back to the Mesozoic era with life-sized animatronic dinosaurs that roar and move in a lush forest setting. The park also features the giant bee land and Insectlandia, making it a top-tier educational destination for curious young explorers. Number 7. Clark Museum and 4D Theater. The museum offers a deep dive into the area's rich history, from its days as a U.S. airbase to its modern-day resurgence. The highlight is the 4D theater experience, which uses wind and mist effects to simulate the historic 1991 volcanic eruption. Number 8. Air Force City Park. This open-air museum showcases a significant collection of decommissioned fighter jets, helicopters, and vintage aircraft. It's a nostalgic and highly Instagrammable spot where kids can climb aboard real military hardware for free. Number 9. Clark Parade Grounds. Fringed by iconic century-old acacia trees, this expansive green field is the premier venue for 2026 major marathons and outdoor festivals. It remains the peaceful heart of the free port, ideal for a morning jog or a quiet afternoon picnic. Number 10. Clark Global City or Event Hub. This modern business district transforms into a vibrant entertainment zone for 2026 biggest concerts and cultural festivals. It is the primary site for the Aurora Music Festival and the nightly light shows that illuminate the Clark skyline.